So the geocache is somewhere on this helicopter. We've had a look at all of the logs. We've had a look at the photographs, the pictures, and people are having great difficulty finding it. And let's see what we can do. There's lots of places to look in. Even the birds realise this. We spent about 30 minutes looking, and actually we finally made the find of the geocache. And we're gonna look, and this thing goes way up. Man, my hand is like 2 feet in. Oh, what's this? And I found something. Yay!
Yay!
Back in place for the next geocacher.